So this is my review on the SANYUN SW205 bookshelf speakers. Now the speakers, like I said, the bookshelf speakers, immersive hi-fi audio with virtual surround, the DAC DSP engine, geometric diffusion cabinet, 80 watts power, it's got Bluetooth 5.4, it's got optical, auxiliary inputs, and it's got a wireless remote with it, so you can select through the different inputs and volume, and also add your Bluetooth device, pair it with whatever setting you've got. I purchased these speakers for my studio, which I've got a Macbook Pro with a full 32-inch screen. It's for doing video edits for my wildlife photography. Also want to listen to it for decent music sound as well. I've been looking for about 2 months now for speakers, and the reviews are quite limited. It's got good reviews on this speaker on Amazon, but if you go on to things like YouTube or other channels, there's not really any good videos. So, or just showing them in real life. So that's the reason why I'm doing this video. Package comes with the two speakers. One's a satellite, and one's got the amplifier at the back. You can't tell from the front, obviously. It comes with an optical cable included. Comes with an auxiliary cable if you want to plug it into your laptop or into a monitor. It comes with the cable connected from the amp powered speaker, which plugs into the back of the satellite speaker. It's got a volume button, it's got a treble button and a bass button, but once you've messed around with that and set them up, you don't really need to mess with it. So with mine, I can operate from my Mac and operate it from the remote control if needed. From my opinion, the sound is absolutely outstanding. I'm a Gen X person, so grew up in the late 70s and 80s with very powerful stereos and music systems with big bass. In my opinion, these pack a big punch, and I think the treble and the bass are outstanding. So anyone who wants to do some music work, editing, or editing on videos, or listen to music, this is a fantastic good all-rounder. And for the money, if you're paying £130 or getting it offer for around £100, you're getting a damn right bargain, in my opinion. So this is the sound through one of my YouTube channels. Obviously, because of music rights, I've got to be careful, I don't let this video get banned. Like I say, it does pack a punch. The sound, the vocals are very clear, bass is clear. There's hardly any distortion, if any, if you turn to full blast. I've set mine up on Bluetooth and also the auxiliary. They're both are equally as good as each other. You can do optical, but I haven't got that facility on my MacBook Pro. I don't need it because the sound is perfect through the Bluetooth or the auxiliary input. I'll put a link below this video linking it to Amazon if you want to have a quick look at it on there. But it is a really good set of speakers, and pretty good looking as well, with the yellow speaker at either side. I read a review where somebody said the sound kept dropping out, and I've had these speakers on for a few hours now. I've had no issues with them whatsoever. I am very finicky, and I like my sound perfect, and when I'm messing editing, I don't want things dropping out. I've had no issue with that at all. Let me know what you think, and any questions you want to put to me, please go for it. But thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe, and check out my photography videos on the wildlife, which mainly I do as birds. But thanks again. Thanks for watching this video.